NVTS stock analysis and NVTS stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to be answering how I'm going to exactly trade this and all that good stuff. And I'm the only guy in this page that has done 41 to 42,000 videos over 5 years, documented them all as proof on my YouTube show. You can like literally go ahead and check it out. And I've seen what's making me money and what's not. I mean, unironically, all I'm about to say with NVTS is beforehand I called this beautiful +4R. Here's that proof. Right, it was sitting at $5, wanted to take it to like 750. That's like 9 days back, and ultimately all that happened is that came down. And if I do see like a sort of correct double break, like a proper double break, then bro, this is just going to be such a great buy for me. I'm just waiting to pull the trigger on this, you know. I'm like a sniper. I don't just like take a lot, but when I take it, it's taken, you know. And I do have like 19 receipts in the Discord as well. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and also stay tuned on NVTS for free.